All right, little mister, this one's for you. C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, and back to C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Under with the thumb, F, G, A, B, C. C, B, A, G, F. Over with the middle finger, E, D, C. Ta-da. So what we just covered there was basically a way that you and I could look at the piano as being the same thing as being the ukulele. When we play the chords on an ukulele and we play the chords on a piano, we're using our fingers to do magical stuff. So what I'd like you to do this week is be able to play a C major scale on your ukulele. You already know how. I just want you to do it in fruition. So here's a C, C major. Then you're gonna take your fingers and put it to the D minor. It looks like an F, but you're gonna put your third finger down there on that C string. Yeah, there's that D minor. And then E minor, it's the one that layers, but we're not gonna use our pinky. It's just gonna be these three with the open note. We're going to take our finger back to the first step and play that F major. Looks a lot like the D minor, except we don't use that third finger there. The next one's going to be the major fifth, which is the G. C, D, E, F, G. We're going to hold this one out and play it. Next one's going to be right after G. It's going to be an A minor. Yeah, and remember the difference between A major and A minor is you have a C sharp right there that makes that a major. The next one is B diminished because that comes after A and it's in between A and C. The way we make that is we put our first finger down here on the F note, we get a D note, and then we bookend it up top with the B to get that A, B, D, F, and G, which gives us a lending tone, which resolves back to C. So what I'd really like you to do is have C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, walla walla ding dong, B minor. No, that's wrong. That was incorrect. It's not a B minor. B minor would have had this, which you know. B diminished is a completely different. It's a 1 flat 3 flat 5, which means it's not like a minor with just the flat 3. It has the flat 3 and a flat 5. What? But we're going to talk about that more next week. I want you next week to come back with all 7 of those notes and play them all the way through without complaining about how the hand hurts or the fingers are broken or whatever. Or else we'll do some fun experiments with rubber bands where we'll tie all of our fingers together and see if we can even play this sucker. And I doubt you can, but actually, I bet you can. I bet you if I tied all your fingers into doubles, you'd be able to play this thing just fine, just because you like a challenge. So here's the challenge. Do the C, do the D, do the E, do the F, do the G, do the A, do the B. Diminish. And see you next week. Aloha.